A very good morning and a warm welcome to this video of our Volkswagen UP GTi 2018 on an 18 plate, finished in pure white. Lovely car, 17,500 and I think 70 miles, and she's an absolutely bobby dazzler. Fantastic little car, finished in the white, 5-door, in great condition. Very few minor stone chips. In fact, there's I think 3 tiny ones which we've touched in on the front bumper. You're not going to be able to see them in the video, but a lovely car. Purchased the car straight from the owner, who'd had it from an Audi approved Volkswagen dealer in Macclesfield, Lynx, who were long-standing Audi and VW dealer for many years. So we have a 6-speed gearbox, which is quite unique for such a small engine car. It's 115 brake horsepower, 6-speed manual, does have digital radio, it has heated front seats, and I suppose those of us who are old enough to remember will straight away remember those seats from the original Golf GTi. So it's quite a sort of a tip in your hat to the old Golf GTi, so it's quite a nice touch. You have GTi kick plates on the sills, 12-volt power socket. It's a 4-seat vehicle, it will sit 4 people. Nifty little boot, double boot floor as well, so it's quite decent sized boot. And just underneath that false floor is another floor, and quite a deep one as well actually, so that's quite good. We do have a tyre inflation kit and the tyre sealant, locking wheel nut. There you go, GTi. Restriction on the colours on these cars. I think there are 3 or 4, 5, maybe 5 colours that they produce them in. Car's still in production. Shares the platform with the Skoda and the Seat stablemates. So very robust and reliable and proven technology. You get a black painted roof. It's not a wrap, it's paint, and also a gloss black spoiler. And then you get these, I think, fantastic wheels. Look at those. On the front, you have a pair of red painted calipers just to accentuate the hot hatch, if you like, of the vehicle, so the hot hatchness of the vehicle. Then up into the wing you have a GTi fin, more high gloss black on the mirrors, and then you have also down here a double gloss black stripe. So all round very nice package. Very impressed. It's the second time we've had one of these UP GTIs. We took one in exchange a while ago, a red one, and that went down to the southwest, down into Cornwall. So delivery is available, and it's been available for 12 years. So we have a very proven process of, first of all, letting you see all the paperwork to the car, and MOT. We've just MOT'd it, by the way, for 12 months, so it's just been renewed, passed straight through passed. It's had a major service with Lynx, and I do have the paper receipt for that, and I also have the printout from the previous servicing as well. Now someone's trying to ring me, let me just see who that might be. It's a missed call, so I shall ring them back. So my phone is connected to the car system, that's how I knew I was being called. I've turned the ringer down, of course, the volume down, but it doesn't stop the calls coming, does it? So you get this lovely sports GTi effect, leather and red stitched steering wheel with multifunction controls, and then just in the bottom of the steering wheel, which is a flat bottom, you get the GTi lettering, which is nice. And yeah, all round lovely car. 6-speed, reverses down and across. There's your 12-volt. Got a dinky little cup holder, drinks holder just there. That's the system for the radio. It's a radio, digital radio, of course. Air conditioning you have just there. Heated seats just on those 2 buttons there, driver and passenger. You have a holder there for your phone, which basically allows you to put your phone in the cradle. You've connected to the car system, and you can put your Apple, Google Maps, get it right, Google Maps and Wave on there, so you can get directions whilst you're driving. You're safe to do it because the phone's in its purpose-built holder. Also, I believe there's a Volkswagen app which you can download as well, which I believe is pretty decent. That looks like an SD card slot, so you can probably transfer music on as well. There's a AUX port. I'm just wondering if we have a USB port anywhere. I'm not sure if we have, but we do have. Let me just see. Can't see a USB port, but I may have missed it somewhere. But ticket, it's just got the AUX just there. I'm not sure. It's a bit strange, isn't it? 12 volt. There's your tyre pressure. No, I don't think it has. So it's but that is a USB slot, so you can transfer your music through there, and it's wirelessly transferred off your phone as well. So it will take Bluetooth off your phone onto the through the speakers. 17,570 miles, absolutely guaranteed. And what I love about these little cars is, look at this fascia here. Put some thought into that, haven't they? It's very nice, very nice. So, and altogether, sound little car, very little mileage, it's fully serviced. We have got the recent service receipt plus the previous servicing on the car. We have 2 keys, and we came across the car directly from the owner, who had looked us up on Google and saw our website and liked the way we do business, which is wonderful. How nice is that? So that was great. That's how we do. Well, we do a lot of buying cars like that. We've been established for 27 years, and we have an enviable reputation for good and straightforward and honest car dealing. Also available on the vehicle, just let the camera video get back into focus. Also available is car finance, should you wish, car finance, PCP as well, and also exchange, so you could exchange your current vehicle. Again, all available on our website. You're available to come and see us, but please don't just turn up. Do email and make an appointment, or telephone ahead before you travel, please. So that's our 2018 5-door UP GTi in pure white with just over 17,500 miles, available from Cheshire Cars in Crewe in Cheshire. We'll have a fabulous day, and we hope to hear off you very, very soon indeed. Thank you.